This is Nilüfer. Every morning, she woke before 5, before anyone else arrived, and left long after everyone had gone. She was a waitress. She took orders. She carried trays. She smiled. But behind those eyes, she was dreaming of something else. Money was tight. Some nights, there wasn't enough left for dinner. But every night, she calculated. She planned. She drew the floor plan of a restaurant that didn't exist yet. She asked the chef for recipes. She asked the manager how things worked. Nobody noticed, but she was taking notes on everything. One day, the manager let her go. "You asked too many questions," he said. She didn't cry. She just looked up at the rain and whispered, "It's time." She walked into a bank for the first time and applied for a business loan. Rejected. Then again. Then a third time. She stayed up writing business plans, learning numbers, teaching herself because no one else would. 2 of her friends believed in her. They pooled what little they had. It wasn't much, but it was enough to begin. She finally found a place. Small, worn, old, but it was hers. She did most of it herself. Painted the walls, assembled the furniture, scrubbed the floors on her hands and knees. She wrote the menu by hand. Every dish came from memory, the flavors of all those years watching, learning, tasting. On opening day, she woke before 5. Again, but this morning felt different. This morning, everything was different. The first customer walked through the door, an old man. He smiled at her, and for the first time in years, Nilüfer's eyes filled with tears. A month later, no empty seats. People kept coming back and back again. In the 3rd month, her first profit, small but real, built entirely by her own hands. Every night, after locking up, she would just sit and listen to the quiet of the place she had built. Now she hires people. She looks each one in the eye, and she sees herself the way she used to be. The local paper wrote about her. It spread online. She wasn't famous. She was just real, and that made all the difference. One day, her mother came, sat at a table in her daughter's restaurant, ate, and quietly wept with pride. She walked past her old workplace one afternoon. She didn't go in. She just smiled and kept walking forward. This didn't happen in 24 hours. It was built across years, through late nights, through rejection, through trust and relentless work. There's time for everyone. Starting is itself a step.